Welcome back. We are here on Ether looking at the cryptocurrency market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. If you like to support our channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. So we'll start by looking at Bitcoin, and as you can see, we have tested the top of the Bollinger Band, which is basically the previous highs here, or the all-time highs of around the 61k100. So if this breaks, then we are looking at the 65 and probably also 70k. But we are running into resistance here. Pullbacks will most likely find buyers at 20 exponential. That's at this 57k. And drop below that, we have the 50 down here at the 54k, and the bottom of the Bollinger Band, if that were to happen, is at 52k. So all of these moving average and also the bottom of the Bollinger Band are most likely where buyers will come back in and buy if this basically breaks down. So MACD is still in bullish territory and is flat. The stochastic is flat. The CCI is in bullish territory now, and the RSI is also bullish. So we have tested this twice and we got rejected, so we could head back before going higher. So let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is also running into resistance here at the 2175. Sorry. Technical indicators are all flat. So MACD is bullish territory, stochastic is flat, CCI is flat, and RSI is flat. So we could also see this pull back towards the 20 exponential at the 1966. Break below that, opens the door to the 50, down here at 1770. And rally from here will most likely find major resistance at give or take 2280. So let's look at Cardano. So Cardano has broken the top of the Bollinger Band today, and we have tested the previous highs here yet again. So that is a give or take 1.3256. This is also where we have found resistance in the past. We have these two spikes here. If you just call them as outliers, then it's basically this range here, which is significant resistant for Cardano. So give or take this area here, you can see how often we basically tested that level, and we have been rejected numerous times. We could see this pull back towards the middle of the Bollinger Band at 1.829, or the 50 moving average at 1.1537. Technical indicators are fairly bullish at this current stage, but we are getting significantly overstretched. So let's look at Litecoin. So Litecoin did pull back today, which was fairly expected as we were significantly outside of the Bollinger Band here. At this current stage, we could drop towards support again at the 220 exponential moving average at 214. Technical indicators are fairly mixed. The MACD is bullish, the stochastic is flat, CCI is still in bullish territory, but the RSI is turning around quite aggressively. We were very close to being overbought. But 20 exponential has offered significant support in the past, so we may bounce from that. If that breaks, we could open the door to the 50 down here at 190 and 96. Break off the 50, well, that could basically drop this all the way down to 161. So let's look at NEO. So NEO is now trading flat. We were also got fairly overstretched yesterday, broke down, and then today we broke down even further. Technical indicators are all turning around for this cryptocurrency. So we may see a pullback for the entire cryptocurrency market for the next few days. It has been a major rally, but it looks like they're all most of them are leveling off, not just NEO and Litecoin and so on, but also Bitcoin. So we could see a pullback towards 20 exponential or the 50 before continuing higher. We are trading at 61 at this current stage. And if you just look at where we were in the beginning of the year, we're down at 14. So this has almost 5 to 6 X's within just this year. And that is absolutely enormous. 500 to 600% rally in just the beginning, only in 2021. So let's look at Dash. So Dash, very similar here. If you just look at where we were in the beginning of 2001, we were down here, give or take at the 87, and now we're trading all the way up here at 272. So when we basically, most people say these cryptocurrencies are bubbles, yes, when they rally 500, 600 points in only 3 months, then this is almost getting into bubble territory, because there are a heck of a lot of cryptocurrencies out there, and all of them cannot rally in the same way. But that aside, we'll look at the technical indicators for Dash, and as you can see, we did get to the very top of the Bollinger Band and then got really heavily rejected. And also here, it looks like we are going to level off and head back towards support at 246, the 50 down there 223, or probably all the way down to these previous levels here at 187. Technical indicators are all turning around. They're still in bullish territory, but they are turning around. So momentum has basically stalled, and usually we need a pullback before going higher from here. So let's look at Tron. So Tron had from the cryptocurrency that we have been looking at today, this is the one that has been performing the best. It is up nearly 9 to 10% today. Has given some of the gains back, but we are most likely going to head back to these previous highs of 0.1444. Technical indicators are all very bullish at this current stage. We're on the edge of being overbought. Pullbacks from here will most likely find major support down at 0.10 level, and at this current stage, it looks like we are going to retest these previous highs. So, hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support our channel by subscribing and hit the like button and the bell button to see our news videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. Good luck and thank you very much.